Hi, family. I wanted to show you, I just finished my, I guess you can say, torn tote bag, shoulder bag. It's shoulder. I like the fact that it's a shoulder bag. I finished it. It turned out real nice. I enjoyed every minute of making it. I did put, you see the button there, and I put the elastic right here in the side. I really like adding that elastic in the side to give it that look, and I love the torn look. And this side turned out real nice. So I I had actually thought about my sister's more. I had mentioned because I know she liked torn jeans, but I was saying I was thinking about myself, or I may put it up somewhere else because I do want to do a store, but I have to look into some things first before I do that. But it really turned out nice, and I really enjoyed making it in my time as I made it. And I what this is the front, and this is the back, the pocket. So I cut it in a way like I had showed you. I actually showed it like that, and your phone can fit in there. I was in, where was I? I think I was in the grocery store, and I had the checkerboard bag, and the lady at the register, she was like, "Oh, I like that bag," and I was like, "Thank you, I made it." She was like, "Really?" She was like, "I saw the homemade on there, so I figured you kind of did." And I've been getting so many compliments on that bag, and I just enjoy it. And that's my thing. I was like, if I make something, I want people to actually enjoy it, you know? So, because I enjoy making it, and I want them to enjoy it, carry it. And so that's another thing why I become like hesitant in trying to sell things, because I want people to enjoy it. I just don't want it to be an afterthought. I have to get it and throw it to the side. I really want you to enjoy it because it really is made with hand, made with love, and during my time that I'm in a secret place with God, and that is so precious and priceless. So it's not to be taken lightly. And as you can see, somebody's on the bed, and this is one of the cushion blankets that I made. And as you can see, those holes are in there is due to the person sleeping on it right now. And that's the thing about her. And this is one of my favorite. Actually, I said I was gonna make another one. This is one of my favorite ones that I made, and I said I wanted to make another one because this is my colors. I love these colors. They are so pretty. But yeah, she put those colors there, and I said I probably could take those out and do it over. But all in all, I'm still gonna do a whole new one. I want to do a new one together. But I enjoyed this one, so that's why it's still on the bed. Look at that, because I enjoy it, and I haven't got to making another or doing those repairs, so I just leave it. She, how cats are. Actually, she should be there, but she's small. But anyway, I wanted to show you the bag. And as you can see, this is some of the fabric that I had left over that I used waste not, wait, whatnot. And it's one of these pockets that's on the back. It's inside as well. It just worked out. And I put it on the same side. So it worked out really well. And I enjoyed making it. This is some fabric up there. And the inside, even with this one, you can wear it. You can flip it if you want to, inside out. And you want to have the torn in here if you want to do that. You can flip it, which I think is cool. And I thought it was cool that I put the little things in here and just let them hang down. I was going to stick it inside, but I said, no, let them hang down. You need something different. Just be free. Do creative you. Nobody in the world got one like. So I'm looking forward to, I had to decide what I'm going to do with it. Either bless someone with it or, but anyway, I enjoyed making it. I got another one I'm going to do, and I'm planning on maybe do like 4 and see which way I go with them if I wanted to the store. So, to see what I'm going to do. But I may send it to my sister-in-law. That was I was thinking of doing. But we'll see. Okay. things show up in those places. What I'm always talking about is so important because during these times we are growing. God is working on us. He's preparing us for what's coming ahead of us so that we can do those works He sent us to do. It is so important. So important. So thank you. God bless you. Continue to go forward. Be your wonderful self. Bye bye for now.